Hi guys, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the hair flip transition on TikTok. Let's go! The only app that you need is TikTok, so you just gotta focus on recording and cutting the right transition. So this transition starts with a no makeup phase, and once the transition hits, you gotta put on your makeup and look like this. So here's how you get the perfect transitions. You wanna make sure that the object covers half of the screen, not like this, but like this. And the position of the second part must be the same as the first part. The important key here is how you flip your hair to transition. So you gotta make sure that when you flip your hair is gonna cover half of the screen. And when we flip our hair, we don't wanna do like this, because when you flip the hair...
Well, if you have short hair, you can just skip this step because it's not gonna block your face.
You can't really see your face anymore. You use a hand like this. When you flip it together. Oh, it's too fast. Wait, let me do it again. Like this holding your hair and kind of close to the camera, and do it like this. And proceed to pose like a hoe.
Just start with your bare face and ugly outfits and set a timer on until the beat hits, and 2 or 3 seconds before the beat hits, you gotta flip your hair like this, like half of the screen is covered. Now go put on some makeup on your bare face. For the second part, with your makeup on and a nice ass outfit, when you flip your hair, don't flip it like this because it's gonna cover your face and it's not nice. So place your hand underneath the hair like how I showed you previously and just flip it, and now your hair is not covering your face. Long hair struggles, am I right? Wait a minute, you gotta remember to flip your hair in the same direction as the first part of the video while covering half of the screen. This is a no-no. And proceed with the timer on. Almost all transitions work the same way, so check out the true flip transition that I did here for a better explanation. Now tap on adjust clips and tap on the first clip because we're gonna trim the end of the first clip to a point where the hair is covering half of the screen. Now for the second part, you're gonna trim the beginning of the video to the part where, again, your hair covers half of the screen. And ta-da, it'll look something like this.
So that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And if you find this video helpful or useful, please like and subscribe. And see you in my next video.